Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up your Google Nest temperature sensor, so let's get started. First thing you want to do is go ahead and get into your Nest app, and once it loads, hit the gearbox at the top right corner, and you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom and you want to add a product. So hit that, and then what you want to do is you want to scan the QR code on the sensor. So here we go. Obviously I'm going to cover my actual QR code, but it's right there under my thumb. So go ahead and take a picture of it in a sense. And then once it finds the QR code, then you want to hit next here. And then it's going to connect to the sensor. Once it does that, it'll say it's connected to your Nest account, and hit next. And then you can pull out the QR code. It's actually just a tab. So pull that out, hit next. And then basically you want to find a spot in whatever room you want to put it in. Hit next. And then it's going to check the connection. So hit next again, and it's going to connect. It's basically going to pair the Nest thermostat to the sensor. Once it does that, it's going to say okay. If it's too far away, it'll give you an error. So that's actually what happened in my case. So I had to move it closer. Then you want to pick a name for it. So this one's going in our bedroom. So I picked bedroom. And then you can either mount it or put it on a flat surface. So we put it on a flat surface. You want to hit next. And then that's basically it. It's set up. Hit done. And then if you go to the home screen again, if you go into the thermostat, you'll notice that now there's a bedroom selection. So if you hit it, you'll notice that the temperature changes. So here we go, 72. And basically then you can set that temperature for that room to whatever you want, and you're good to go. So hope that was helpful. If you thought it was, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.